How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we are checking out a super rare 1968 Impala SS 427. It's all numbers match, factory color combination. The car's had one repaint several years ago. Does show a little age, but otherwise the car's very, very nice. Solid car. So all the grille, headlight bezels, all those are the originals. Appears the bumper has been re-chromed, but super nice car. Very rare. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Tell you, the color combo on this car is just slick. Rear bumper looks like it was re-chromed. All the original taillights, all the original glass in the car. I believe a lot of the interior is original. I mean, you look how straight this car is down the sides. Again, it's a numbers match, 427. It has been rebuilt along with the trans. Got the 400 turbo trans. It's got power disc brakes in the front. It's got the power steering, heavy duty radiator. It's all original Harrison radiator. It's got the hood light even works. Front suspension's all been gone through. I mean, this car, get in and cruise it. Again, it's the 400 turbo trans. It's got the 12-bolt rear. So all the jams are real nice. The jams are the original paint. They were not repainted. I believe the door panels are the originals. It's got the factory tack and gauge package, very rare. Even the clock works. Headliner's real nice, tight. All the seats look real good. It's got the original center console, the original steering wheel. I believe it's 55,000 actual miles. I have paperwork that shows at 53,000. I mean, it's just a cool car. All inside the trunk is very nice. It's got the jack, the spare, everything's there. Even has working trunk light. You see, we have a lot of paperwork, several years of the paperwork, order forms. Super rare car. You see, it's got all the gauge package. It's got AM, FM, the original center console, everything in excellent condition. Even the original floor mats. Super cool car, guys. Get in this car, drive anywhere you want, go to your shows. Got original T3 headlights in it. Turn the parking lights back on. All the side lights work. 427 original emblem. Nice duals out the back. Everything in that car works. It's just a cool car. That parchment interior and the blue exterior. 15-inch rallies on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a good day, folks.